so let's start our lecture today. Yeah, so so let's get back to the case where so the cancellation, so why there is a cancellation somewhere. So so namely I think I want to find the angle that's different by, okay, so go. So try to find some points on lattice such that on so if I do a rotation by 90 degrees, right? So whether these 2 points they are agree with each other or not. I think basically this calls some like rotational if you rotate by like some angle, right? Oh yes. I think because I think wait. So does it have some rotational property, like if you rotate some angle, then you get back to the same thing? So such that one is derived from another by rotating 90 degrees. It seems like I can only rotate like 180, right? So in this example. So if you rotate by like 90 degrees, I don't think like you will get like the same points. So what's the conclusion here? So okay, so ideally I don't think there is a cancellation going on there. Let me think. So then how does this work? So why? So let me think of a question why this sum of this omega not equal to 0 of 1 over omega squared converges. Right. So let me think. So you are basically you are taking the sums. Okay, so intuitively, what I think what you do is that you're just you are squaring the angles, right? So basically there are two operations. So one is doubling the angles. And then you do a minus sign, do a reflection, okay, about x-axis, okay, about the real axis. So, okay, so let's say, let's try a few, again, some examples. Like, so this is a lattice, like the first loop of the lattice. So this point, it stays the same after rotation, right? So, and then, so this point, after doubling the angle, so it stays like here, then do a reflection down here, okay. So this point goes to like here, and then I think I will use a chalk of different colors. So yeah, so here, okay. Let's draw this line. Let's draw this point in like this yellow one. Okay. So here is one. Second one. And then, so this is the second point mapped to here, and then third point you double the angle, and then it stays the same here. Okay. So this is 1, 2, 3. That's level. Yeah. So one. Let's do it. 1, 2. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, I think there should be a 5, right? There should be a 5 around here. 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so including 8 point. Okay. And then what about number 4? So point 4, you double the angle. Yeah, you get to here, and then is that true? So basically, point 4 is that yeah. So this is pi minus theta, right? So 2 pi minus 2 theta, which is here, and then reversing it, then you get back to here. Okay, so this is point 4. And what about point 5? Point 5, yeah, so you're doubling it, right? Oh, okay. So this is point 5. Okay. Okay, and then this is point 6. This is pi plus pi. Sorry, pi plus theta, and then you double it, becomes. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so that becomes yeah. So this becomes what? This becomes pi plus theta, doubling 2 pi plus 2 theta. Okay, so 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 actually becomes here. Okay, so this becomes here also. So and then number point 7 becomes here. Okay, becomes here, right? Okay, so last point, this point. Uh, 2 pi minus theta, doubling it. Okay, here, here, okay. So this is originally this is which point? Yeah, so this is 0.8. Okay. Okay. Right. So okay. Okay, so let's do one more example to see what's really going on here. So, so this is loop, loop 1. Okay, this is loop 1. Let's do another loop 2. Is it recording here? Shoot. Okay, I hope it's recording. Okay, so okay. Okay, so here this is the omega 1, right? So this is like omega 2. And then, so here is, this is 2 times omega 1. Okay, so 2 times omega 1. Like that, okay. So this is omega 2, and then this is 2 times omega 2. And then, let's see, so here, you have points here, points here, point here, this point, and then, oh, I don't think I have enough space here, so let's just assume that this is 2, okay. This is, yeah, so not, yeah, okay, so omega, minus omega 1, minus omega 2, and then this is this point here, 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 this point here. And if you're a little bit careful about the distance here, otherwise I may be a little bit trouble here. Okay. Oh, see, I'm already in trouble because of the bad drawing. I think I already missed a point here. Okay. So let's label each point. So starting from here, this is point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Okay. So right now, let's see what does the map goes. So for the first point, right? It's the same. Okay. I use the lower script for the after the mapping. And then for the second point, so I know from here, basically it has the same kind of structure, right? So it maps to like here. Okay. So you draw like a double angle like that. And then you do a symmetry. Okay, so let's say around here, right? Okay, so this is point 2. And then for this point, so this one is like the same, right? So you double the angle, let's say here. And then you do the symmetry. Let's say maybe here, right? So this is point 3. And then for point 4, okay, so what about point 4? So for point 4, you oh, okay. Okay, so here for point 4, okay, so roughly speaking, you double the angle. Yeah, so it seems like a 45 degree, right? So let's say slightly over here, okay, and then you do the symmetry, let's say here, okay, so this is the point 4, and point 5, so point 5 goes to here, right? So roughly speaking, it should be somewhere here, okay. And then point 6. Let me think. For point 6, so you double the angle here. Yeah. So okay. So what is this angle here? So it should be whatever. So I think so. It should be like kind of similar to this one, right? So this 4. So you are doubling it. So another 90 degree plus so this is like pi minus theta, right? So here, sorry, pi over 2 minus theta. Okay, pi over 2 minus theta. So suppose that this angle is like theta, right? And then this is like pi minus 2 theta, right? Okay, actually let's just draw it. So here is like theta, and 2 pi plus 2 theta. Is at the same point. Okay. So let's actually calculate this angle here. Wait. Okay, so these 2 points, they are exactly like 4 and this 8, right? Wait, can I use this analogy? Okay. Let me be more careful here. So this 4, okay, suppose that this angle is like theta for this point 4, right? So now, when I'm doubling the angle here, so what I get is that I should get, after doubling the angle, right? So this is the power 2 minus theta. Okay, so I should get pi minus 2 theta after doubling the angle. And then pi minus 2 theta. Okay, and then take the negation of it, right? So it should be 2 theta minus pi, right? Wait, pi over 2 minus theta, pi minus 2 theta, pi over 2 minus, yeah, pi over 2 minus theta, yeah, pi over 2 minus theta, 2 times pi over 2 minus theta. Wait. I was, I think there is, so will you do the reflection? You're taking the, okay, so it should be 2 theta minus pi, which is a negative number. So yeah, so this angle should be 2 theta minus pi. Okay. Wait, pi minus 2 theta, sorry. Yeah. So here, this angle should be like exactly 2 theta. Okay. So